This 2023 Heartland Milestone 386BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a ADDISON interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.